In this guide, we will show you how to screen mirror or screencast your Samsung Galaxy S25, S25 Plus, or S25 Ultra to any smart TV using the built-in Smart View screen sharing feature. To screen mirror your S25 Ultra, first make sure that it's connected to the same Wi-Fi as your smart TV. After that, on your S25, you'll just need to swipe down from the top right corner to open the control center, and then at the bottom you'll see Smart View or mirror screen. Just tap on it, and now your smart TV will appear here. Now to start mirroring, tap on it and hit Start Now. Then on your smart TV, you may get a pop-up from where you'll need to select Allow. After that, your S25 Ultra will start mirroring on your smart TV. Now you can stream your S25 Ultra's content on your smart TV. And when you're done, you can either tap on the Smart View option and then select Disconnect, or just use your smart TV remote to go back to home screen. And that's all there is to it. So if you found this helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more guides, and I'll see you in the next one.